What's up, AI enthusiast? You have been asking us again and again. You finally want to take off with your own AI influencer business. You want to make good money with your self-created virtual influencers, but you don't really know how to get started. No worries. In this brand new video series, we take you by the hand and show you step by step how you can make money with AI influencers. We'll present you with a ton of concrete ideas and possibilities, but also show you suggestions from the community. And the best part, we will put everything into practice transparently together with you. Are you as excited and curious as we are? Then let's go. In the last videos, you have already created your own virtual influencers. Today we are setting up a Patreon account for them. Patreon is the go-to platform for creators looking to share their content and connect with supporters. It's a simple yet powerful tool where you can receive donations and boost your visibility. As you explore Patreon, you'll discover a diverse range of creators spanning various communities, niches, and genres. First, let's delve into Patreon's pricing options. Head to patreon.com pricing to find different plans, offering core features such as multimedia publishing, native videos, exclusive podcast feeds, personalization choices, and analytical insights. It's straightforward. Patreon takes a modest 8% cut of your earnings. Opt for the premium plan at 12% if you're aiming for extra perks. Earning on Patreon is a breeze. You can offer a paid membership with customizable benefits, sell digital exclusives in your online shop, or combine both approaches. Imagine earning $100 in a month. With the basic plan, Patreon takes only $8, leaving you with $92. Choose the premium plan, and they'll deduct $12, leaving you with $88. It's that simple. Start monetizing your creative work effortlessly on Patreon. To kick off your Patreon journey, let's create your account. Head over to the Get Started section, where you'll input your email and other necessary details. Use your preferred email address, like mine here. After adding your information, click Continue. Next, personalize your account by adding your name. Choose a suitable name for your page. You can set age restrictions if needed. Click Next to proceed. Now, connect your socials if you wish. Import information seamlessly, or skip this step and jump into the creative process. Your Patreon dashboard awaits. Customize your profile with headlines, various Patreon links, and home settings. Your Patreon is ready. Let's make it uniquely yours. Your Patreon is set up and ready to go. Now, let's make it uniquely yours. Begin by adding some key details to help visitors understand you better. Start with profile photos, the obvious first step. Then, craft a compelling and detailed page description that clearly conveys what your content is all about. It's a straightforward process. When it comes to earning money on Patreon, it's your space to connect directly with fans and grow your business. Offer exclusive access to your work through paid memberships with options like Pro and Premium plans. Alternatively, explore selling digital products, whether they're your own creations or through affiliate marketing. Tailor your approach based on your work style. Paid memberships are a key element to understand. They not only provide financial support, but also help you gain followers quickly. It's simple and effective. On the left-hand side, you can easily switch to your audience view. Track your Patreon members, engage in chats, and build communities. Import and export member data in CSV format, facilitating seamless integration with other marketing platforms or email marketing tools. Your Patreon journey is all set. Start connecting and creating. Now let's explore the Insights tab for a closer look at your Patreon's performance. This section offers essential analytics, showcasing membership earnings, post statistics, and informative charts to provide an overview of your Patreon activity. Moving on to payouts, here's where you can manage your funds. Withdraw money, create necessary documents, and keep your Patreon secure. To ensure safety and prevent fraud, there's a 5-day waiting period after receiving your first pledge before you can withdraw funds. Easily add payout methods through your account settings. For setting up payout methods, simply click on Become a Creator. Create widgets and choose the type of content you want to share, be it text polls, videos, images, or live streams. Showcase the essence of your Patreon through various media. If you'd like a more detailed analysis, let me know in the comments. That's the essence of setting up your Patreon account. Download the Patreon app for a user-friendly experience. Whether you're a creator or audience member, you can use Patreon effectively by verifying your email. I'm creating an AI influencer and letting you participate in the process. Join me in this creative journey as we develop a unique digital personality together. All your feedback and ideas will shape this influencer and bring it to life. Over the next weeks and months, I'll give regular updates through pictures, videos, and posts so you can follow the progress up close. Best of all, you'll get a transparent view into how this AI influencer develops. I'm thrilled to take you along on this adventure. Stay tuned and curious to see what happens next. I hope you've absorbed the process and are ready to dive in. Create your own extraordinary AI influencer on Patreon and enjoy the journey. Comment if you would like to see more AI-related videos and leave us a like. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more content. Until next time, take care and catch you in the next Tech Trend video.